Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L3270CDW printer driver download and installations via USB. Okay, so first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and then you can see this is first websites. First URL is the brother official website. So need to download driver only official website only. Okay, so click on it. Okay, then Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile. So four type of, but select the operating system Windows and Windows 11, Windows 10 22, Windows 10 32, and 64 both available. Server also are available, so you can connect it. Select all the operating system installations process same. Select which is you required, then click to OK. Now you can see this is the full options software pack, and this is the driver firmware also there. So this is, you can see in the driver, this is a printer driver, only driver. Scroll down, click to download, and after that it will start downloading within a second. It is 29, it's completed. Then click on this icons, means where it is downloaded, and then right click to open. Now it is successfully create extract, and it's created the folder. Now you can see this is your driver. Okay, then click to start and go to setting. Then click to Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, and after that click on add device, and after that it will open show it manual option within a 5 seconds, like this. Add new manual setting, click on it, and this is first share the computer. If you already share, so you can connect from here, and if you know the printer IP, so you can connect this via wireless and Bluetooth, and this is the local and network. Okay, and manual. Then next. Okay, uh, so click to disk and click to browse, and then go to document. Okay, so you can see this is, and just double click to open, and select this file inf and select, and then click to open it. After that click to OK, and now you find out your 3270 printer. Slow down, this is okay, and then next. Now printer is installing. Next, finished. So you can see your printer is installed 3270. Okay, so restart your printer as system and desktop, which is connected device, and then you can print, test print and all. So before printing need to restart. Okay, thank you.